Welcome to Norway, a land where nature's beauty knows no bounds. From the magical glow of the northern lights to the dramatic fjords carved by time, this Nordic paradise offers an experience like no other. Journey through vibrant cities, breathtaking landscapes, and a rich Viking heritage that still echoes today. Whether you're an adventurer, a culture lover, or a seeker of serenity, Norway is calling. Let's explore its wonders together. Geographical location. Norway is situated in northern Europe and shares its borders with Sweden to the east, Finland and Russia to the northeast, and is surrounded by the vast, untamed waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. With a coastline stretching over 100,000 kilometers, Norway boasts some of the world's most dramatic fjords and breathtaking coastal scenery. Population and capital city. Norway is home to approximately 5.4 million people, a nation proud of its heritage and natural beauty. Oslo, the capital city, is Norway's beating heart. A modern metropolis that blends innovative architecture, lush green spaces, and a thriving arts scene. If you're planning a trip, Oslo is a must-visit. Popular cities. Bergen. Known as the gateway to the fjords, Bergen is famous for its colorful waterfront, Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Surrounded by towering mountains, this city offers breathtaking views of Norway's coastline. Trondheim, a city steeped in history. Trondheim is home to the magnificent Nidaros Cathedral, one of the most important religious sites in Norway. But it's not just about history. It's also a hub for education, technology, and innovation. Stavanger, renowned for its booming oil industry and stunning natural landscapes, Stavanger is home to the iconic Pulpit Rock, a towering cliff with jaw-dropping views of the Lysefjord. Tromsø, often called the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø is the place to witness the magical northern lights. Imagine standing under a sky illuminated with swirling green and purple hues. It's a sight that will leave you speechless. And if you crave adventure, dog sledding and whale watching await. Ålesund, a city straight out of a fairy tale. Famous for its Art Nouveau architecture, Ålesund sits on several islands, offering picturesque sea views and majestic mountains. Rivers and beaches. Norway's rivers and beaches add an extra touch of magic to its breathtaking landscapes. Glomma River, Norway's longest river, stretching over 600 kilometers. It has played a crucial role in the country's history and economy. Numedalslågen River, a dream destination for fishing enthusiasts. This river is famous for its world-class salmon fishing and attracts anglers from across the globe. Sognefjord beaches. Nestled along Norway's longest fjord, these beaches offer breathtaking scenery and a peaceful retreat for those seeking tranquility. Haukeland Beach, Lofoten Islands, a slice of paradise. This white sandy beach, surrounded by towering mountains, is one of Norway's most scenic coastal gems. Årestranda Beach, the longest sandy beach in Norway. A perfect blend of Nordic beauty and tranquility. Norway is a country where nature, history, and modernity blend seamlessly. From its mesmerizing fjords to its bustling cities, this land offers experiences that will leave you in awe and make you fall in love with its beauty. Top tourist attractions. The Norwegian fjords. Norway is home to some of the world's most beautiful fjords, including Geirangerfjord and Nærøyfjord, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Northern Lights. Tromsø and the Lofoten Islands are among the best places in the world to witness the mesmerizing aurora borealis, a spectacle that will leave you in awe. Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, a dramatic cliff rising over 600 meters above the Lysefjord, offering spectacular panoramic views that will take your breath away. Lofoten Islands, Known for their dramatic peaks, charming fishing villages, and crystal-clear waters, the Lofoten Islands are a paradise for nature lovers. Vigeland Park, Oslo. A unique sculpture park featuring over 200 stunning sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, each one depicting the depths of human emotion in an unforgettable way. Flom Railway, one of the most scenic train journeys in the world. This ride takes you through breathtaking landscapes, steep mountains, cascading waterfalls, and picturesque valleys, all unfolding like a dream. Tourism in Norway. Norway attracts millions of tourists each year, drawn by its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultural experiences. Annual visitors. Norway welcomes approximately 5 million international tourists annually, a number that continues to grow. Most popular seasons. The summer months, June to August, are the peak tourist season, thanks to the mild weather and long daylight hours. Winter, December to February, is equally magical, drawing visitors for its thrilling skiing adventures and the enchanting northern lights. Top attractions for tourists. Tourists flock to Norway's world-famous sites, the Norwegian fjords, the Arctic Circle, Viking museums, and the breathtaking coastal cruises along the Hurtigruten route. Economic impact. Tourism contributes billions to Norway's GDP and supports thousands of jobs in hospitality, transportation, and entertainment industries, making it a vital part of the nation's economy. Norway's economy and GDP. Norway is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, with a strong and stable economy driven by several key industries. Annual GDP. As of recent reports, Norway's gross domestic product, GDP, is approximately $500 billion, making it one of the highest in Europe. Per capita income. Norway has one of the highest per capita incomes globally, standing at around $90,000 per year. Key industries. The Norwegian economy thrives on oil and gas exports, renewable energy, shipping, fisheries, and tourism, each playing a crucial role in its success. Sovereign Wealth Fund, Norway's government pension fund. Global, often called the Oil Fund, is the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, securing long-term economic stability for generations to come. Innovation and its impact on Norway's economy. Norway is known for its advancements in technology, sustainability, and digitalization, which have significantly boosted its economy and GDP growth. Key innovation sectors include renewable energy. Norway is a leader in hydropower, wind energy, and green hydrogen, drastically reducing its reliance on fossil fuels while promoting sustainability. Tech. Startups and AI. Cities like Oslo and Trondheim have become hubs for cutting-edge tech startups, artificial intelligence research, and game-changing digital solutions that enhance productivity and economic growth. Electric vehicles, EVs. Norway has the highest per capita ownership of electric cars in the world, driven by strong government incentives and massive infrastructure investments. Maritime innovation. Norway is at the forefront of autonomous shipping and eco-friendly maritime solutions, revolutionizing global trade efficiency. Healthcare and biotech. With heavy investments in medical research, biotech innovation, and digital healthcare services, Norway is diversifying its economy while improving lives. These innovations have played a crucial role in sustaining Norway's economic success, ensuring long-term prosperity while promoting environmental responsibility. Norwegian culture and festivals. Norwegian culture is deeply rooted in Viking history, folklore, and traditions that date back centuries. The people of Norway take immense pride in their heritage, reflected in their language, art, music, and cuisine. Traditional Norwegian food includes unique dishes such as rockfisk, fermented fish, fårikål, mutton stew, and lutefisk, dried fish rehydrated in lye, an acquired taste indeed. Norway is also known for its vibrant, thrilling festival scene, celebrating both historical and modern events throughout the year. 17th of May, Constitution Day. The grandest national celebration, marked by joyous parades, traditional clothing, bunad, and heartfelt patriotic festivities across the country. Bergen International Festival, one of the largest, most spectacular cultural festivals in Scandinavia, featuring mesmerizing performances in music, theater, dance, and opera. Oslo Jazz Festival, a must-visit event for jazz lovers, attracting enthusiasts from all over the world. Northern Lights Festival, Tromsø, a magical winter festival celebrating music and culture under the breathtaking aurora borealis. St. Olav Festival, Trondheim, a historic event honoring St. Olav, featuring medieval reenactments, soul-stirring concerts, and religious ceremonies. Røros Winter Fair, a centuries-old market event showcasing Norwegian craftsmanship, traditional food, and rich cultural traditions in the charming historic mining town of Røros. Norway's past, history, and struggle. Norway has a rich, dramatic, and complex history, shaped by Viking conquests, medieval struggles, and the relentless pursuit of independence. Viking era, 8th, 11th century. Norway was home to the legendary Vikings, fearless seafarers, daring explorers, and fierce warriors. They ventured across Europe, founding settlements, establishing vast trading networks, and leaving behind a legacy that still echoes in Norwegian culture today. Medieval Norway, 11th, 14th century. Christianity took root, and Norway emerged as a unified kingdom under King Harald Fairhair. The magnificent Nidaros Cathedral in Trondheim became a spiritual beacon for centuries to come. Union with Denmark, 1380 to 1814. Over 400 years under Danish rule, Norway lost much of its political independence, yet fiercely held on to its cultural identity. Union with Sweden, 1814 to 1905. After the Napoleonic Wars, Norway was placed in a union with Sweden, but the desire for freedom never wavered. In 1905, Norway finally gained its full independence peacefully. World War II, 1940 to 1945, a dark chapter. Norway fell under Nazi occupation, but brave resistance movements fought valiantly to reclaim their homeland. Their courage will never be forgotten. After the war, Norway played a pivotal role in rebuilding Europe and became a founding member of NATO. Modern Norway. Since its full independence, Norway has flourished, rising to become one of the world's wealthiest, most developed nations. The discovery of oil in the North Sea in the late 20th century brought unprecedented economic prosperity. Today, Norway stands as a beacon of peace, innovation, and resilience. Popular airports in Norway. Oslo Gardermoen Airport, OSL, the largest and busiest airport in Norway, serving as the main international gateway. Bergen Airport, BGO, a major airport connecting Western Norway with European destinations. Trondheim Airport, TRD, a key airport for both domestic and international travel. Stavanger Airport, SVG, important for business travel due to its connection with the oil industry. Tromsø Airport, TOS, a gateway for Arctic adventures and Northern Lights tourism, truly magical. Top hotels in Norway. The Thief, Oslo, a luxury boutique hotel offering high-end amenities and waterfront views, an indulgence worth experiencing. Hotel Union Geiranger, Geiranger Fjord, a historic hotel with stunning fjord views and spa services, breathtaking. Bergen Beurs Hotel, Bergen, a stylish hotel in a former stock exchange building, offering modern comfort with historic charm. Radisson Blue Plaza Hotel, Oslo, one of the tallest hotels in Norway, offering panoramic city views. What a sight! Scandic Ishavs Hotel, Tromsø, a perfect base for exploring the Arctic and witnessing the Northern Lights. An unforgettable experience. Tourist-friendly tips. Mentioning Norway's efficient public transport, credit card-friendly system, and English-speaking locals can reassure travelers. Local experiences. Highlight Norwegian festivals like Midsummer, Sami Week, and Christmas markets to showcase cultural immersion. Budgeting information. Norway is expensive, so suggesting budget travel tips like Norway in a Nutshell tours, cabin stays, and local supermarkets could be helpful. Sustainable travel. Norway emphasizes ecotourism, mentioning electric ferries, hiking ethics like Allemannsretten, and wildlife preservation would be valuable. Final recommendation. Norway is a dream destination for nature lovers, culture enthusiasts, and adventure seekers. Whether marveling at the Northern Lights, hiking breathtaking fjords, or experiencing Viking history, a journey to this Nordic gem is an experience of a lifetime.